Hello students, today I am going to tell you about font group of Home tab. I will tell you how to increase the size, how to decrease the size, how to clear the formatting, how to apply the formatting, how to apply the styles to selected text. First of all, you select some text. I am using shift plus arrow to select the text. Select the text. Now we can apply bold to make the text bold, italic to make the text slanted, underline to underline the text. To increase the size, we can select text size, strike through. To strike through, I am just removing underline, italic and bold. Now question arises, why do you need this strike through option? See, sometimes it may happen that you go to one particular shop and you want to buy some, take an example, shirt. The shirt cost you 500 earlier, but now after discount this is of 250 rupees. 50% discount it is. So shopkeeper wanted to show that earlier it was 500 and now it is 250. Then it is written 500 and then strike through, and then it is 250. It understands that earlier it was 500 but now it is 250. In the same way, if data is incorrect, we can cross it out using strike through option and then write new data which is correct one. Now subscript and superscript. Take an example, you want to write H2O. H2O. Now this is the formula of water. If I select 2 and then click on subscript, now this will become the formula of water. Sometimes you write y3 equal to z square. Now I want to make it equation is the equation. Now select this 2 and click on superscript. Select this 3 and click on superscript. This way, this is equation. Now to highlight some text, select the text and click on highlighter. Arrow is there. If I click on highlighter, the color which is selected earlier will be shown. But if I select color, so I need to click on the arrow beside it. I can select any color out of these 15 colors. This way highlighting can be done. Then text color. Select the text and then apply text color. By default, if it is selected and we click, the selected text color will appear, and arrow beside it allows us to select color from multiple colors. More colors we can choose and different colors, standard, custom. We can use any color or we can write our own value in RGB and then click on OK. This way selected text color changes. Now we should keep in mind that either text should be dark and background should be light, or background should be dark and text should be light, so that it must be visible correctly. Now again you see select text, change the font style. Different handwriting styles are there. We can choose any one out of these. See here. Then size of text can be increased or can be decreased. Size can be increased by clicking here, can be decreased by clicking here, and then clear formatting will clear the formatting. Keep it in mind that highlighting will not be deleted. See again, select the text, make it bold, italic, underline, change the text size, and then clear formatting will clear them all. Just highlighting will not be cleared. It's okay, children. This is font group of Home tab that we discussed. In next video, we will learn Clipboard group of home tab. Thank you. Have a nice day.